The winner for the student lemon race. Sai Prakash. This one, Sai Prakash. And then, the winner for the elephant tail.
Shoot it.
Irfan, where's Irfan? Situ? Shetra?
Take your own food.
Give to Irfan, Irfan. And for the needle and thread, yeah, needle and thread. Rachita, no wonder why you are the winner. Rachita, Rachita and Sherry. Thank you very much. Rachita. Thank you. That is very sweet.
Thank you.
And then Amina. Very, very good. And this is for the host. Thank you very much again. Yes. For the host and for the organizer.
Best costume.
For the dance.
Okay, come on.
The group who dance. This is so good. For the best